Hello and welcome to Learn in 200 Seconds. This is the third video in the fossil fuel series. In the previous two videos, we have learned how fossil fuels are formed and the processes by which they are refined to make them usable by our vehicles, households, and industries. In this video, we are going to learn the cost of obtaining these fuels and what all factors affect their prices as they reach the wider population. Coal, natural gas, and petroleum, when under the surface, have zero costs. But once they are drilled out, because of the involvement of resources such as machines, time, and people, their cost increases. But the story doesn't end here. In the previous video, you have seen that fossil fuels obtained after drilling contain impurities and cannot be used directly. These fuels are transported to refineries where, in addition to transportation costs, machines, time, fuels, and human resources are again invested in purifying these fuels. From here, these fuels are transported to nearby fuel stations via pipelines or vehicles. This again adds to the cost of fuel. Since every country requires fossil fuels, they are international commodities and are sold in international markets. You can check the price of different fossil fuels in these charts over the period of 25 years. The current price of 1 ton of coal is $330 US, 1 barrel of crude oil is $100 US, and 1 million BTU of natural gas is around $7 US. BTU is a unit of energy which expands to the British thermal unit. After purchasing the fuels from international markets and refinement at refineries, government impose certain taxes on sales of fossil fuels in the country, and thus the local price of these fuels varies from country to country. For example, the current price of 1 liter of gasoline is around $0.022 US in Venezuela, $1.333 US in India, and $2.999 US in Hong Kong. In India, out of each $100 spent by a consumer on gasoline, $54 goes to the government as taxes. Industries which refine and sell these fuels charge $23, and $23 is spent on buying the fuel in the international market from drilling companies. United Kingdom's government charges the highest tax of around $66 on $100 purchases. At the same time, in the USA, only $25 goes to the government on each $100 spent on fuel. Saudi Aramco, PetroChina, ExxonMobil, British Company, Chevron, Marathon, and Total are a few top crude oil and natural gas drilling companies. Whereas Reliance Jamnagar Refinery, Paraguana Refining Center, Ulsan Refinery, and Port Arthur Refinery are a few top oil refiners in the world. China Shenhua Energy, BHP Billiton, Coal India, Shaanxi Coal, Teck Resources, Yancoal Australia, and Whitehaven Coal are a few top coal miners in the world. Transportation, manufacturing, and electricity production industries heavily depend on fossil fuels for their energy requirements. Change in prices of crude oil, natural gases, and coal in the international market directly affect these industries, which results in a change in the cost of transportation, cost of steel, cost of food, cost of electricity, cost of groceries, and other day-to-day things. You can see that almost every energy requirement is fulfilled by fossil fuels. In the next video, we will learn about the bad effects of fossil fuels on the environment and try to find out a few alternative energy sources that we can replace in place of fossil fuels.